Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Dream Team selection for the upcoming game week 15. Before starting, we would like to mention if you are new here and haven't subscribed to us yet, please do it. It's completely free but means a lot to us. Let's go deeper into the video. Brighton have kept 5 clean sheets in their first 14 games. They looked a very good defensive side as they conceded just 15 goals and had an XGC of 17.2. They will face Southampton in an away game. Southampton has scored just 13 goals this season, only 2 teams have scored less, so it should be an ideal fixture for Sanchez to keep a clean sheet. French international Hugo Lloris has had a stellar start this season. He has kept clean sheets in all the 3 starting matches of this season, but the situation changed as the season progressed. They have kept only 2 clean sheets since then, and both of them came under their new coach Antonio Conte. After Conte took over, they looked defensively solid in his first 3 games. This game week, Spurs will face a Norwich side who have scored only 8 goals this season, which is the lowest among all the teams. Hence, he earned a place in our this week's dream team. Cancelo has featured in all the games for Manchester City this season and played only 13 less minutes out of a possible 1260. He already contributed to 8 clean sheets and provided 5 assists, which resulted in 82 fantasy points. In game week 15, the defender will face Watford, where he will surely try to add some more points to his tally. Trent has been one of the top-rated defenders of FPL for the past several seasons. It is no wonder that he is on his way to replicate that type of form this season also. He has already provided 90 fantasy points, which makes him the highest scoring player in terms of FPL, and the upcoming fixture when Liverpool will face Wolves could be another ideal stage for him to shine, as Wolves have scored the second lowest goals this season. 5.2 million price defender Reguilon has provided 62 fantasy points this season, while he provided 5 clean sheets, assisted 3 goals and scored 1 goal. In the upcoming game week, he will face Norwich. Norwich have been inconsistent in this season, which brings the probability for Reguilon to shine in the upcoming game week also. Matt Targett had a great season last year, but at the start of this season, Targett looked underwhelming and lost his place to Ashley Young. But his career rejuvenated under his new coach Steven Gerrard, as he scored and assisted once in the last 3 games. Last game against Manchester City, Targett was subbed early due to a head injury. If he doesn't start this game week at Villa Park against Leicester, his teammate Mings can also be a good option. Tariq Lamptey was injured in the beginning of the season. After coming back from injury and gaining match fitness, he scored 20 points in his last 4 matches. He looked very lively and attacking. Against Southampton, he can prove his worth defensively and also in the attacking perspective. Due to illness, Raphinha missed the game against Spurs, then he blanked against Brighton, but he put his name back on the score sheet last week as he scored the winner against Crystal Palace. He took part in 12 games and scored 6 goals. He bagged 61 points and is having almost 55% goal involvement for the team. He created 38 goal attempts and among them 13 were from inside the box. All of them were on target, creating 23 chances for goal. They will face Brentford in their next home game, who have conceded 17 goals in total. Considering all the factors, Raphinha is a must pick for the upcoming game week for any team. Last game was another clinical game for Diogo Jota, as he scored once from the 2 shots he took against Everton. He has been playing more in center in all the matches he has started, as scored 8 goals and 1 assist and delivered 76 points. With so many attacking potentials behind him, he will get tons of chances against Wolves, and hopefully he would be back with his name on the score sheet. Mo Salah scored 15 points in the last game week as he scored 2 goals and bagged all the 3 bonus points. He took 4 shots from the box and 3 of them were on target. His opponent is Wolves this game week, who are showing defensive solidity as they conceded just 12 goals so far. Only Chelsea and Manchester City conceded less. So this match might be a tough one for Salah, but he has scored 9 goals and 5 assists in his away matches, which shows how dangerous he has been in away games. That's why, like every other game week, he remained in our dream team. Jadon Sancho did not perform as everyone expected after coming to Manchester United, but he can become the next big thing under United's new interim manager Ralf Rangnick. A home match against Crystal Palace could be a perfect opportunity for him to unleash his potentiality. Manchester City has been a star-studded team for the past several years. Injuries and bad patches of some key players in the City's team have made Bernardo Silva more of a focal point in the false nine formation. He scored from a beautiful volley at Villa Park, and in this season Silva has scored 5 goals and assisted twice with an XG of 4.18. He took 15 goal attempts and created 17 chances. An away fixture against Watford will be a great opportunity to show his creative display as they conceded third most goal after 14 game weeks. Ollie Watkins was a star performer last season, but he didn't start this term very well. In fact, after the arrival of Danny Ings, he lost his place on the starting 11 and did not perform up to the mark. But the 7.4 million price forward had started providing again. In his last 6 matches, he scored 3 goals, which resulted in 29 fantasy points. His last goal was against Manchester City. This shows the impact of Watkins is increasing under the new coach Gerrard, and he is a member of our upcoming week's dream team. After scoring 3 goals in his first 2 league games for Manchester United, Ronaldo scored just 1 goal and assisted twice in his next 8 games. But he came back to his beast mode in the last game as he scored twice against Arsenal to seal his team's victory. He made 6 goal attempts, 4 shots on target and had an XG of 1.44 in the last game week. He will definitely try to prove himself even more to the new coach Ralf Rangnick as he will face a Crystal Palace side in the Theatre of Dreams. Jesus is playing really well this season. He is playing more in the right wing position and shining in the new role. He became more of a playmaker than a striker. He scored 2 goals and assisted 6 times this season. But the only problem is his playing time, as he played only 941 minutes out of a possible 1260 minutes this season. Last match against Villa, he provided a nice assist in Silva's goal. He also made 6 goal attempts and created 1 big chance. If he starts against Watford, he will definitely contribute and won't go blank. That was all from us for the upcoming week's Dream Team selection. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming contents. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPLTC on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.